Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Byerly, and this is my Java 1 Week 2 project review for term 1409. This week for our project we had to take Week 1 project and make 2 functional changes, 2 cosmetic changes. The functional change was calculate the median length instead of the average length, and add 2 buttons to an alert dialog, an OK and remove. The OK would dismiss the dialog. The remove would remove the text from the list. The cosmetic would be adding it worked and changing the text views from, or changing the buttons from buttons to text views and making the background gray, dark gray. Okay, so let me just give a quick overview of the app working, and I will then go into the code. Bunch of demon hunters there. As you see, the length is changing, showing 3 entries. Let's see, Joe's also going to be a monk. And let's make him a witch doctor. And you see it's changing. I'll move this out of the way here. Oh, that keeps popping up there all the time. And then of course I can get one. Here's the dialog box. Tell me the demon hunter. I can click OK and it will dismiss it. Or I click it and click remove and it removes it from the box, from the list, and then the total entries is removed. Joe the demon hunter, remove him as well. And you see the length changes as well as the entries. So now let's go over the code. Let's go and start with the cosmetic changes. As you see here, changing the labels right there, just testing, and it worked. The other was the buttons. I also, as you see, I have a lot of comments in here. I try to keep a lot of comments in my code so that way it's a good habit to get into, especially when you're working in a team. Let's see, okay, here's the buttons. As you see, the name that I gave it is still BTN for button, but the base has been changed to text view, and I have the comments showing that these two had been changed from button to text view. And then down here, it has also been changed from button to text view as well. Okay, so there's those. Let's go ahead and do the dialogue, or the the alert dialog. I went ahead and attached it directly under the list view section, since it was pretty much attached to that anyway. So here is that. So what we're doing is getting the position of the adapter view. And here is the 2 buttons, which is attached to a character sequence array for button options. So we go down a little more. Here it is. Here's the on click for the buttons. If button option is equal to OK, then just dismiss the dialog. Else, if the button option is equal to remove, then we're going to go into the string list array and we're going to remove it based on the position of selected, which is when I select it, the dialog box pops up and I click remove. Here we update the data set changed. Then the text view set text total entries, we adjust it to the correct setting. Since it's been removed, we redo the calculations, so we're calling the median calculation function to recalculate that after one's been removed. And then here, for some reason when I delete all these, that doesn't go to 0. Not sure exactly why. So all I did was if string list size is equal to 0, then set that to 0. Let's see, down here, okay, this is the week 1. All I did was just comment it out, and then I commented out up here as well, right here. And then as you see, here is the median collection, median calculations, which is right here. And then here I put a small definition of median. A lot of people get median and the average confused for some reason. So what the median is the middle value in the list of numbers. But first, before you can find the middle value, you need to put everything in order from 1 to 10, or however high you're going. Instead of it being 6, 12, 4, 1, it needs to be 1, 4, 6, 12. So here's the for loop going through the string list. In the end, it is attaching it to another array, which is what I have up here. Another array, and I have all the variables for the median calculation up here as well. I could have just stuck them down in the function since they are not going to really be used outside of the function, but I just kept everything together. Where am I? Okay. Statement for calculation, the median list array. If items already in list, take the odd and divide. So here's more or less the end result. It takes, creates another string. Yep, I want to be doing that. Be grabbing and moving things. Takes the length text view, which is this text view, attaches the median and length static text, and adds the length average string, which is this string right there. And then it goes down. The initial calculation is pulled from the loop. If it is not odd, it's going to go right into the base calculation, and of course set everything to the same as the other. It's going to take the string, it's going to link it to this text view, and have the output for the user to see. And that is all I got for this week. This time I did add my header at the top, my commented header, which I forgot to add in week 1. But that is all I got. Thank you for watching. Bye.